stupid game. Banana Peel's getting me down. I mean, a guy just likes to chill and play his game, but no, freaking sweats are just getting up in my business. Just always come in this sweats, they just beating me down. Yeah, cause I'm just trying to rage, but they can't making me rage so much.
What's been killing me? I hate sweats, dude. Have you ever been outside before?
True, dude. Sweats, they suck. Like, go and touch grass, walk your dog. He's probably starving in your basement. You don't need to keep cranking on Fortnite 200-pound big 3-year-olds. It's fine. Sweats, they just suck, don't they? Sweats are so bad. Sweats. Yeah. Game. We just wanna play a chill game of sports, but you know, these sweats every single time.